In this demonstration, we are going to set up personnel action types. This is available only if your agency has personnel action types enabled. So if your organization uses personnel actions, you must use personnel action types to make a change or create new positions. So for example, you might have personnel action types for creating a permanent position, creating a seasonal position, or modifying an existing position. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that that's enabled. So we're going to click on the Personnel Management Workspace, and then under Links, we are going to go into Human Resources Shared Parameters in the Setup section. And then we're going to click Personnel Actions. And then what we're going to do is enable both of these options for Enable Worker Actions and Enable Position Actions. And then we're going to click Save. Once we've done that, we can close the Human Resources Shared Parameters form, and then we're going to go back to the Setup section, and we're going to look at Personnel Action Types. So we'll click on that. And once the Personnel Action Types form opens, we can see that there are several that are already listed for hire requests, new position actions, and terminating workers. So we're going to create one for hiring a college grad. So we're going to click New. So in the personnel action type, we are going to type hire grad. And in description, we're going to type hire a college grad, graduate. And then under personnel action, we're going to make a selection here. So this is going to be listed as hiring a worker because we're hiring a specific kind of worker. Now in the workflow field here, we can make a selection about what workflow this should pertain to, or we can leave it blank if we're not interested in adding this to a workflow. Now, I'm not going to add this to a workflow, but let's take a look at the list. We have hire worker as the workflow that's available right now. Next, in the details section, we can list a fixed compensation action. So we'll click on that, and we are going to select hire. And now that we've completed all of this information, we can click Save in the action pane. And once we're done with that, we can close the form.